Start. Miss Anamika Jain, Learned Senior Counsel appearing on behalf of Self-Employed Women Association (bracket में सेवा bracket close) put forward a strong claim for establishment of weekly markets in various areas. This court heard the said suggestions very carefully and after full deliberation held that the court cannot issue direction to declare weekly market in a particular area. So far as the suggestion for giving preference to women vendors in the allotment of Tehbazari vending sites is concerned, it was held that the same is again a matter of policy, and therefore it was observed that in planning markets in the city, the MCD may consider whether some space would be made available to women vendors and whether they may be allotted Tehbazari vending sites adjacent to each other in a block. A further submission was made before the court that the schemes which have been approved by the court should be subject to such act or rules that may be formulated in consonance with the NPSV. The court in that regard made it clear that it had only approved the scheme as framed by the MCD and the NDMC, and that if the legislature intervenes and frames another scheme or regulation governing such scheme, that would certainly supersede the schemes formulated by the MCD. It is well settled that any administrative action is always subject to such law that may be framed by the competent legislature. It was observed by the court while passing the said order that since the NPSV have been formulated, the concerned authorities would have due regard to it in regulating Tehbazari vending sites, etc. Pursuant to the aforesaid order passed, the MCD filed a detailed affidavit on 19/4/2008 giving the said status report regarding the implementation and progress of the new scheme. The MCD also filed an application dated 9/5/2008 seeking appropriate directions from this court in regard to certain difficulties being faced by them in implementing the scheme. In the said application, 4 principal difficulties have been pointed out. The first issue which is raised is that the Government of India has issued an ordinance in 2007 which restrains removal action inter alia against unauthorized squatters vendors up to 31/12/2008. It was stated that the applicability of the Delhi Act has been extended for another 1 year and an appropriate legislation in that regard has been passed by the Parliament. In view of the aforesaid position, it is pointed out that a problem is being created for settlement of eligible squatters, as some of the sites have been occupied by unauthorized vendors who are entitled to protection under the provisions of the Delhi Act. It is next pointed out that for settlement of squatters, street vendors, there is hardly any footpath which has a width of 9 feet, providing 5 feet for the pedestrians and 4 feet for the hawkers along the roads, and as such a difficulty has arisen to adjust the eligible applicants on the footpath and also for identification of new squatting and vending areas for them. Stop.